Hey YouTube, Wagwan. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna replace our mirror on this Ford Fusion. So guys, if your Ford Fusion look like this, it's gonna be the same procedure of changing your mirror. Hybrid or the regular one, it doesn't matter if it's hybrid. This one is hybrid, but it doesn't matter if it's not hybrid. It's gonna be the same procedure because all the mirrors are at the same location. So once your Ford Fusion look like this, same procedure, guys. You don't have to ask me the year. As long as it look like this, it's gonna be the same procedure. And we're gonna need to remove the door panel. So I know this car it's in the sun, so I'm gonna bring it in the shop so we can get a better camera angle on it. So don't worry about the glare too much. So let's do that. So guys, we're gonna get this trim tool right here. Get in here, kind of pry it back because we're gonna have like a screw back here. We'll have a screw back there, and also we need to get down in here too. So we'll try it from the softer side. Try it. So you just want to pry it up. Just like that, and when you pry it up, you're gonna see that you have some more screw right there. So you have 110mm. These look way smaller than 8mm. These down here look like 8mm. 8mm. Ford, come on, Ford. Why you gotta be so difficult? So these are 732. This one right here is 10mm. And down here is, these two down here is 7mm to take that out. And now we're gonna have a panel tool to get in there. Normally you can yank it off, because that's what I normally do. I just normally yank it off until I buy this tool right here. I buy this toolkit right here. I bought this off Amazon. It's nothing too expensive. As you can see, this right here is from Overfreight, and I have this a long time, nothing break. So we just need to get this in there and pry that out. So guys, so this is how you use this. Once you just put this up in there, squeeze this, it's gonna come loose just like that. So that's how you use that guy. And now just gotta lift the pry up on it like that. So let me just go ahead and unplug this right here. We gotta find this little tab right here, squeeze that, unplug that. So this is the tab I squeeze right here. Unplug it. So now we just gotta push up on the door, up on it. Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, so now we remove this right here. So you gotta pull this back like this. Once you pull this back like this, you can just pull up on this and it will come out. You got clips, you just gotta find this, squeeze this right here, find this right here, squeeze this and this, you squeeze this and pull back on it. And I think I seen some roach or something, I don't know. Anyway, so we have one screw right here for the mirror, and we gotta remove this computer box right here from the door, this door module, and it look like it's probably 7mm or 8mm. Alright, so guys, it was like that. I have one 7mm here, another one over there. Take that out, and now in there we're gonna have 3 10mm that hold the mirror. It should be a nut with washer. Alright, there you go. That's what one look like, and that's what all of them look like right there. Alright, so now we got all three off. From there, the mirror gonna ready to come out. So it doesn't matter what mirror you have. If you have heating mirror or mirror with turn signal on the light underneath the bottom, it's gonna be the same procedure. It's just that it's gonna have more wires going to it. But that's how you gotta do it. You put it back like this. So oh yeah, one time for the thumbnail. So guys, we need to unplug the mirror wire. This is it right here. It's inside. I'll probably have to just remove this so I can get my hand up in there. It's gonna be 7mm all the way around. So yeah guys, 7mm. These are them. And get your hand up in here to squeeze that right there. I'm gonna use something push on it, like a pick or something. So yeah, I did just use my hand to get up in here, hold it, squeeze it, unplug it just like this. Now we can take out the mirror. So the mirror is out. Time to get another mirror and put in it. And also guys, link will be in the description for a new mirror. Alright. So guys, I couldn't find the part nowhere right now. So I just rigged it a little bit until I get the parts. It's temporary right now, so that's what I'm waiting on, the parts. So I'm just gonna put this back so the customer can use it for until we get the parts. So we gotta run the wire through here first, and then we'll put everything in. Now we gotta make sure the wire don't go in front of the window regulator, the window guide, and then we gotta tighten it up. So guys, this is how you gotta set the socket in this to catch the screw. Open that just like that. So that's how you gotta do that, and then you gotta tighten that up. Don't over tighten it, just knock them out. So we gotta plug this in, so we gotta go from underneath. We gotta plug this in right here. So you see where I put my hand through, up under the connect that right here. You see that right there. I had to put my other hand through right here to guide it so it can go up on it. And then we're gonna push it and make sure it locks. And once that lock, we can go ahead and just tighten up everything now. So we put that back in right here, the speaker. We'll put this module right here for the door. And we're gonna put back this cover right here. And now's the time you wanna test the mirror, make sure the mirror works. But this is, it probably works, probably don't, but I just rigged it so they can use it. But here's where you would test your mirror. And now we're gonna put on the door panel, hook this back right here. So I connect back everything, as you can see. Make sure you have this wire right here for your clip. Then we're just gonna go ahead and put this on, just like that. And then we're gonna line up the holes and tap it in. So we just gotta put this back right here. These two down there, and that right there, and that right there. And then we're gonna put back our window switch. So once that is done, you want to make sure you connect your switch. So you want to turn on the ignition and test it to make sure it works. Seems to be done. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the mirror and then return the car, wait for the parts, and that's it for this one, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.